Kirby vacuums have an almost legendary status as being one of the greatest and most amazing vacuum cleaners ever made. Aficionados and dusty collectors tout them as the ultimate cleaners that far surpass even the most high-tech modern cleaners. Often you see Kirby fans conducting a range of amateur tests to attempt to support their opinions. Now that I own a fully serviced and tip-top Kirby G5, I thought I'd try to reproduce one of these tests and see whether what they say is actually true. One such test you can often see is the flour under the rug test, which attempts to show just how much airflow these machines have and thereby wrongly imply how good a cleaner they must automatically be. Flour is placed under the rug like this, and then they run over it with the Kirby. When they lift the rug, the flour is mostly gone, a bit like this. Oh, my flour's all still there. Some of it's been vibrated around, and some has been squashed into the backing from the horrendous weight of the Kirby. Let's just run over it a few more times for good measure. Okay, now it's gone. Oh, it's all still there. It's all just vibrated to the back. Why is it not going away? Well, as you know, this channel is all about myth busting, and of course these amateur testers are deceiving you to try and keep the nonsense associated with Kirby vacuums going and smearing better, more modern technology. So what's going on here, and why didn't my flour disappear like the tricksters? Well, I've already produced 2 videos providing the answer, which you can watch in the first and second links in the description, and this is the test which actually proves it. In short, those peddling the virtues of high airflow machines either don't understand the essential differences between loose shaggy rugs and fitted carpets and the importance of the backing material, or are deliberately trying to deceive you. My rug is in actual fact a cut-off from a fitted carpet and has advanced backing structure with technology that prevents liquids from seeping beneath. The backing is non-porous and thus prevents airflow from underneath, as discussed in those earlier videos. This is conveniently never acknowledged in the handful of deceptive channels that peddle the Kirby myths, and they always use loose shaggy rugs with porous backing specifically to artificially inflate the performance of high airflow machines. Here you can see the reality of the true performance of a Kirby on a real-world carpet, and it's nothing like what's shown by the myth spreaders. This video proves once again that Kirby vacuums don't have some uncanny ability to extract dirt from beneath a quality carpet or have some uniquely incredible ability to deep clean. How well Kirbys actually clean on fitted carpets, which restrict airflow and need good suction, which the Kirby doesn't have, will be fully quantified in an upcoming video. In summary, look out for the deceptive videos where people put flour or sand under loose shaggy rugs to try to demonstrate the power of a Kirby or another type of old-fashioned mains-powered vacuum. It's a big deception, so don't be fooled and call it out whenever you see it.